All right, guys, it's been a while. Here we are, the old junkyard.
Back at the junkyard.
We heard there was some good LS heads here, so
yeah, a little bird.
Oh, the headlights are nice on this.
We've
one.
come to grab them. So here we go. We found it.
But it's an 05, it says. But maybe the Envoys had it first before like the pickup trucks had it.
Possibly.
Where's the casting number?
These are apparently 799 heads. We were tipped off.
On the head.
You don't see a lot of even as a V8. Huh. Does it have the fancy roof though? It does not. I remember the commercial for these trucks when they had that roof that reclined, whatever you want to call it, up there. You can put a tree in it. Super useful.
$840. I was hoping I could just turn around and sell it. But this is different because this is just a filter. Could use this on anything.
Junkyard K&N.
Yeah.
Whoever owned this, it's interesting.
All right, we're gonna walk around the junkyard here, see if we can find anything exciting. Other kinds of junk.
Excitement.
Oh, Z24 Cavalier. Well, at least the front end is.
Lots of LSs.
Here we got another
I
LS.
almost slipped in the mud.
It's like a 5.3, I would assume.
Older
Crunch
truck.
wheel. Cavalier. Oh no, it's a Z24. It's got the. See, of course, when I needed parts for the. See, remember I needed this for the Sunfire. Grand Am.
It's that look, it has written on it, OK spare on the other side.
Yeah, spare, fair, it says. See, when I needed one, I couldn't find one here.
That's the way she goes.
But it's okay because it runs now, I don't need it. 8.8 Ranger. Drum brake,
Yeah.
but at 8.8. Similar to the one I had. It's got that
Easy
ABS
access.
thing on it. I wonder if I could adapt that sway bar to my S10 somehow. It bolts to the rear end.
Yeah.
I guess it has pads.
That's
No,
wow.
that's just bolted on.
Long links.
Yeah. It's interesting.
This
Okay, so
might be a really good engine to have.
An HD.
And it's a newer truck.
Let's see what we got.
Well, it doesn't have the newer intake.
It's a 6-liter. It's
Yeah.
317 heads.
It would have to be,
Yeah.
but not a newer one.
No.
If it was a Gen 4 6-liter,
No.
we'd pull it out with our teeth.
Yeah. But still a complete 6-liter. 862 heads. And just another probably 5.3 or 4.8, I guess.
Everywhere, guys.
This one's in pretty clean condition though. Like this truck looks overall not bad, you know. Definitely would be a good donor engine. Oh, there's Remy.
Good boner. Feel bad for you guys that
And
have to
another
pay
one.
$1,000 for one of these off a shelf. We got them just laying all over the place.
This is a
here.
2005 4.8. 862 heads. 05. And another one. Avalanche. Wow, see, and then that one day that I was
So
here.
it's a 5.3.
That one day there was like none of them.
Yeah.
There was like one. And now there's like 100 of them. 706 heads on that one. Race engine shop. That's a newer F-150 eh? With that weird.
No Coyote though.
No, it's got whatever. I guess that's a 4.6.
Another one. Yeah, you guys get the idea.
Another HHR.
Look at this nice white rocker guard.
The body actually looks like it was in nice shape because it's not. There's no rust bubbles or anything underneath this gravel guard stuff.
Yeah.
Even the tailgate, like look at it. Here a little messed up.
This one might have been savable. No longer.
Vortex. See this one. This could be it. Pretty rusty. I was gonna say this would be a perfect one. We come to the junkyard. We take this. We grab an LS out of one of the trucks. We throw it in. We get it running right here. It's already up on jack stands. You know, and then we drive her out.
Maybe one day.
In sponsorship with the Bucks Auto. Another Envoy.
What does it mean?
This one's flat. Same thing, all cracked up. I mean, this one's holding air still.
Send your motorhome tires to Rob Exner, P.O. Box.
875-165.
Oh, I thought that was the P.O. Box number. For
Actually, on this side, it looks like this side of the tire is really good. But then on this side, it looks like something was fucking rubbing against it. Look at that wheel weight. Look at the size of that wheel weight. It's huge. I don't know if these wheels would fit on mine or not.
Hey. Oh, look at this.
Just looking for LSs and other various things.
It comes with some liquor too.
6 liter, yeah. I saw it already. Actually, Clayton's over there. There's an Envoy with a 5.3 aluminum with 799 heads on it. We're taking the heads off of it right now. He is, I should say. Really? And here's a bottle of your booze, Mike.
I know.
Alberta Premium. There's even some in there.
I sometimes partake in that brand of whiskey. Yeah, Clayton's probably struggling over there.
Yeah, we'll go help him. Eventually. So many cars. Look at how many scrap cars they got. What if I need parts off one of those old Chevys back? Oh, see, this Master Zone is not even the same. You think it had air ride in it? Or?
When I was like 16 or 17 working at Walmart, a guy who owned this truck, it was like a mini truck, and he would pick up his girlfriend. I thought it was cool. And then more recently, we saw it sitting on the side of a highway.
It has
for sale. I guess no one bought it, and now it's in the junkyard. But yeah, no, it's all shaved.
This thing was for sale for like $2,500 for like the longest time, and then no one would buy it, and then some guy bought it, and then I guess he started sanding it, as you can see, and then I guess lost interest, and then was trying to sell it.
Look at that custom center.
3 of the wheels are here. But yeah, it has suicide doors. I don't know if it's like a good kit. Of course, can't get them open. They're probably electric or something.
Yeah. Interesting. Sad to see how some of these old hot rods end up.
Yeah. We found a 6 liter in a whatchamacallit.
Oh yeah?
3/4 ton truck, 6 liters.
Did you pull it out?
317. And a subscriber over there. I guess he's a subscriber. I don't know. You know what I was
I think I
thinking?
missed that.
I was thinking, I'm like, oh, hopefully it doesn't squirt gas, but then I'm like, come on, the thing's been sitting for how long? It's not gonna have right pressure.
Good fuel pressure.
Apparently it did, and it squirted me right in the face.
There's your junkyard tip of the day. Don't underestimate the fuel pressure.
Yeah, exactly. Ugh. Now my face has got gas all over it. Wow, those spark plugs are in there. Fucking good. Jeez.
Getting there.
Getting where?
The head's off. Taking these manifolds off is gonna be the trickiest part, I figure.
You got this coil off, Mike?
Yeah, just need to undo the spark plug wires. Or just rip it apart. It felt like a cool day until we started doing all this physical activity. About halfway there?
Well, after I get that side manifold bolts loose.
This side's tighter, so it's gonna be a little trickier, but we're getting there.
ground. It's like under the exhaust.
Huh? You got that off, Mike?
Last bolt, Mike? Yeah. I'm about to liberate one of these from the junkyard. Liberation. It'll live a nice life on probably some sort of hot rod rather than being crushed. Righty ho. Yeah. Let me get out of here. Get out of here, you goddamn. I'm dying. Time for some freedom, I think. Oh, yeah. Head gaskets look bent. Oh.
Oh.
One down.
Uh-oh.
What?
It's a little fucky.
Huh?
Oh, is there something jammed in there? Oh, that's why. Never mind. There's a bolt jammed inside one of the things. What that happen?
How the fuck would that happen?
Probably somebody turned it over after
Yeah,
the
when they
intake
were
was
setting
on,
everything.
and it rolled in there.
Looks like a stone. Or a part of someone's finger. But there
Fixed. Simple as that.
Alright. Oh, look at that thing.
Yeah, it looks nice. How's the keep that head gasket? It's pretty nice inside.
So all we got left to do on the other side is the exhaust manifold and the big bolts. Easy. The final push. Or pull rather.
There's 4 minutes till closing time. We got 2 bolts left. And they release the hounds.
I like dogs.
These dogs
What about the dogs that have bees in their mouth and they bark, they shoot bees at you?
How the fuck, Mike? There's no way.
Well, from the bottom. Like you gotta put the ratchet at
Yeah, you gotta have the
side of
manifold
engine.
not in here.
Yeah, that too would help.
Here,
but-
give me that 3/8 one. That'll work. Well, 3/8 one will work.
All things considered, this went pretty
Okay.
easy.
Easy.
Boom. Yeah, easy with the dick surface. Oh, Jesus
Aluminum
Christ.
on aluminum.
Easy.
That's all. Stripped. Who would have thought? Race heads have an envoy, but here we are. Oh, looks good.
No sun, nothing sunk.
We're just assembling them again because it's the same price no matter what you take. Cylinder head is cylinder head apparently, so. Gonna put it back together like this one and then I think we're getting out of here. So that's all.
Yeah, say if everybody grabs
You gonna grab one, Mike?
Yeah, I guess. Grab this thing from. There we go. Oh shit. Let's get out of here. So according to the internet, that engine in the Envoy was an LY6. These are 799 heads, as we probably mentioned already. And they're similar to 243 heads.
Yeah.
A similar thing, just a different number. Higher compression, better casting. And how much were they?
90.
90 bucks for some 799s complete.
Belt train. Yada yada yada.
It's hard to beat, guys.
Yeah, good deal for some work. I mean, it's a good thing that the exhaust was cut off, or else we would have had an issue.
That helped out a ton.
Getting the manifolds out of the way, but as it was, turned out really good. Your shirt is filthy. Is this like a dirty blanket?
No,
You might want to go shirtless
it can be.
in the car.
I mean, better to get this blanket dirty than your interior. I mean, it's just dust. It's not grease.
All right,
Okay, that's okay.
onward. You're getting those for your black car. Are you going LS?
Top secret.
It's now a bunch of hours later. And we're going cruising. But I'm pretty sure this car has the same heads as we got today, right?
No.
No.
243s. but
Wow,
they're basically
similar.
the same.
9-second heads. So it's race heads in action. Clayton's got the blue car here. It's ready to go.
Sponsored by Red Bull.
Sponsored by Red Bull.
Not sponsored.
So yeah, hope you enjoyed the little junkyard adventure. We haven't done that in a while. We've gone a lot, but haven't recorded in a while. So till next time, I guess we'll check you later or something like that. Just kidding, I'm gonna get some cruising clips. May as well, right? Packed in here today. Lots of nice cars here. We usually don't come to car shows. Sometimes this one before cruise night. Just accelerating quickly. It's 80 down here, so I mean, you got to get to that speed limit. All right, that's about the end of the night, guys. We're all very tired. It's been very hot here. Working in the junkyard earlier took it out of me and Clayton.
Mike was too tired to drive the shit horse tonight.
Yeah, well, you know, the seat was open in this. Haven't cruised in it for a while, so. Yeah. This is where we usually go to end cruise night. People race down the street and crazy stuff. But, yeah. So always like, comment, subscribe.
Check you later.
Check you later.